Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 18. Simplify this expression. Yan. So to simplify this expression, gagamit lang tayo ng laws of exponents. So una nating pwedeng ma-apply is dahil itong expression sa numerator is nakari siya lahat sa -1, apply natin yung power of a product law of exponent. If we have xy raised to n, pwede mong i-distribute yung exponent na n sa bawat factor. So, equals sa x to the n, y to the n. So, itong -1, i-distribute natin dito sa first and second expression. So, magiging, sige, sa numerator muna tayo, copy ko yung first expression, mare-raise siya sa -1. And also, itong second expression, copy ko na lang, mare-raise din siya sa -1. Sa denominator din, ganun din. Itong dalawang expression natin is quantity raised to the second. So, applying power of a product law of exponent din, mali-distribute yung exponent na 2. So, yung unang expression, copy ko, is mare-raise siya sa second power. Okay? And then, itong second expression, yan, raised din sa second power. And then next, law of exponent is apply natin yung power to power law. If we have x to the n, quantity raised to the m, equal lang siya sa x raised to the product ng exponent m and n. So, diba, meron tayong power to power law. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin tong mga exponents. Okay? So, mangyayari, so dito muna tayo sa first expression sa numerator, magiging, yan, copy ko siya, raise na siya sa -2 times -1, positive 2. Tapos, dito naman, sa second, yan, mare-raise siya sa 3 times -1, -3. Then, sa denominator, itong first expression natin, mare-raise na siya sa 4 times 2, or 8. For the second expression, and copy, mare-raise siya sa -4 times 2. So, i-multiply lang natin yung mga exponent. And then, next step is another power of a product law. Kasi, itong actually lang factor siya, hindi lang dalawa, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, naka-quantity raised to the second. So, i-distribute din natin yung exponent. Ganun din dito. And also dito sa denominator. Yan. So, bale magiging 2 square x square square y to the -2 square z to the 4 square. Tapos ito, -2 raised to -3 x to the -3 y square to the -3 and z to the -3. Sa baba, we have 2 to the 8, x to the 8, y to the 8, and z to the -2 raised to the 8. Then ito, -2 to the -8, x to the -1 to the -8, y squared to the -8, and z to the -8. Tapos, power to power law. Diba? I-multiply natin tong mga exponents. Okay? So, magiging 2 squared. So, yung mga constant natin, di ko muna i-expand or i-evaluate. Sulat ko muna siya as 2 squared. Okay? Etong sa x squared squared. So, bali, x raised to 2 times 2, 4. Y raised to -2 times 2, y to the -4. z raised to 4 times 2, 8. Yan. Times, so, sige, negative 2 to the negative 3 muna pag constant. Then, x to the negative 3, y to the 2 times negative 3, negative 6, and z to the negative 3. Over, yan, 2 to the 8, x to the 8, y to the 8, z to the negative 2 times 8, negative 16, and then negative 2 to the negative 8, x to the negative 1 times negative 8, positive 8, y raised to 2 times negative 8, negative 16, and z to the negative 8. Yan. So, next is, yung mga same base, pag multiply natin, apply natin yung multiplication law of exponent. If we have x to the m, x to the n, it is equal to x to m plus n. So, yung mga same base. So, sa constant, yung 2 square times sa 2 to the negative 3, pero yung 2 to the negative 2 to the negative 3 pala, etong negative, it means, di ba, negative 1 times 2 to the negative 3. So, pag in-distribute mo pala yung exponent niya, bali negative 1 to the negative 3, 2 to the negative 3. Etong negative 1 to the negative 3, it means, kapag negative exponent ka, it means 1 over negative 1 to the third. X to the negative n is equal to 1 over x to the n. Okay? But yung negative 1 cube is still negative 1, right? So, negative. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo dito ng sign na negative. Tapos, 2 to the negative 3. Okay? Kasi this one is negative yung value. Yan. So, apply natin yung sa same base, multiplication law of exponent. So, itong negative, yan, sulat ko na siya sa unahan, negative of 2 squared times 2 to the negative 3. So, di ba i-add natin yung exponent? 2 to the 2 plus negative 3, or that's 2 to the negative 1. Tapos, sa same base naman na x, copy yung x, and then add the exponent for plus negative 3, or x to the first. Sa y naman, y raised to negative 4 plus negative 6, or y to the negative 10. And then sa z, z raised to negative 8, positive 8 pala, plus negative 3. So, 8 plus negative 3, or 5. Yan. So, ito na yung numerator natin. Then, sa denominator, again, sa 2 to the 8 naman, and negative 2 to the negative 8. So, again, di ba, may negative 2 tayo. So, gagawin ko, yung negative 2, sulat ko siya as negative 1 times 2 to the negative 8. Then, distribute mo yung exponent na negative 8. So, negative 1 to the 8, 2 to the negative 8. Negative pala, sorry. So, negative law of exponent ulit. So, bala magiging 1 over negative 1 to the 8 siya. And negative 1 to the 8 is, diba, positive 1. So, 1 lang pala siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, wala tayong i-add na sign na negative kasi positive 1 siya. So, etong negative 2 to the 8 is equal na lang siya sa simply 2 to the negative 8. Okay? Yan. So, ngayon, applying multiplication law of exponents. So, sa 2 to the 8 times 2 to the negative 8, that's 2 to the 8 plus negative 8, or 2 to the 0. Then, sa x, x to the 8 times x to the 8. So, x to the 8 plus 8, or x to the 16. Sa y to the 8 times y to the negative 16. So, y to the 8 plus negative 16. 8 plus negative 16, that's negative 8. And then for z, c to the negative 16 plus negative 8 or z to the negative 24. Okay, next naman is kapag nag-divide tayo ng same base, division law of exponent, if we have x to the m over y to the n, it is equal to, same base pala. X to the m over y to the n, it's equal to x raised to the difference ng exponent ng numerator minus the exponent ng denominator. So, dito muna sa base 2, we have negative. So, itong negative sign lang siya. So, copy nyo lang. Tapos sa base 2, 2 raised to exponent ng numerator, negative 1, minus exponent ng denominator, 0. Right? So, bali 2 to the negative 1 na lang. And then, sa x raised to 1 minus 16, or that's x raised to 1 minus 16 is negative 15, right? Sa y, bali y raised to negative 10 minus negative 8. So, negative 10 minus 8 is negative 10 plus 8 or negative 2. Okay, and then, sa z naman, z raised to 5 minus negative 24. So, 5 plus 24 na siya or 29. Ngayon, kapag may negative exponent tayo, applying yung negative law of exponent ulit, gawin natin positive. So, ito magiging negative 2 to the negative 1 is same siya sa 1 over 2 to the first or 1 half. Times, x to the negative 15 is 1 over x to the positive 15. Times, y to the negative 2 is 1 over y to the positive 2 times z to the 29. Yan. So, therefore, pag minultiply natin, we have negative. Ang matitira lang sa numerator is 1 times 1 times 1 times z to the 29 kasi over 1 siya. Z to the 29. Tapos sa denominator, pag multiply na lang natin to. Bale, pagkatabi na lang natin as 2 times x to the 15 y squared. Okay? So, therefore, this is the answer.